Hey girl, hey, your favorite shopaholic is back and I am here to share a new crochet hairstyle with you guys. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, turn on your notifications, like the video, and strap in because this one is about to be fire. And today we have some hair from YWIGS. Thank you so much YWIGS for sponsoring this video and sending me some new hair. I always love when I get a package from YWIGS because I know something good is inside. Of course, they gave me a beater that is a crochet hook that you can use. Oh, they gave me two. Heard it all. Of course, they're going to give you a rat tail comb, which I never have enough of these. I lose them, they break. So yes. You're going to get your edge brush and your two duckbill clips. Can never have enough of these either. Somehow they always get lost and I can never find them when I need them. So thank you YWIGS for the little care package. Now on to the hair. Ooh, y'all, we got some kinky straight hair. Kinky straight crochet hair in 22 inches. I am so excited. This is human hair, you guys. And kinky straight, yaki straight, anything like that is some of my favorite hair. I've never tried it in crochet, so I am beyond excited to try this. Wow, I'm really excited. Kinky straight crochet hair. What? Oh my gosh, look how pretty this hair is. So beautiful, so fluffy. So lightweight. Wow. Really, really pretty. I love it. Okay, let's take one out. Now this is human hair crochet. So you can color it, bleach it, curl it, straighten it, shampoo it, condition it, all that good stuff. Wet it. And it's gonna last you a good length of time because this is virgin human hair. The ends are a little thin. I will say that the ends look a little thin, but we'll see how the install goes. It may need like a slight bit of a trim, but I always cut my crochet anyway because once you install it, it's all different lengths. It's going everywhere. So you do need to trim and, you know, shape your crochet. Now this is human hair, so you don't want to cut too much, especially if you want to reuse the hair, which I'd highly recommend reusing. The construction on this, you do have a piece of thread here. It's just cotton thread, about 1.5 inches of cotton thread. Then your hair, your human hair is wound around the thread and the hair. So you have like a wound piece and then the hair comes out of that. Obviously 2 pieces of hair on either. I am going to show you guys how I'm going to do these braids because I decided I'm going to do like sort of a maybe like a vixen or like a 3-part vixen or something like that. I can't remember what we used to call them back in the day, but it's where you leave your perimeter out and then you leave hair out so you can part it in different places. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go around my middle part and grab that. So this is what I'm thinking for the middle part. I think that'll be a good place to do it. So that'll be the side part. Now, based on the density and thickness of your hair, you might want to leave more or less hair out depending on how thick your hair is. These 2 areas need to be braided and then all of this needs to be braided, but I also need to leave a perimeter around the edge of my hair as well. Put all of this into a ponytail and then I'm gonna braid down my leave out and then I will braid down my hair that is gonna be crocheted. So when I come back, all my leave out areas, all these areas will be braided up, and then I will also braid down the crochet area as well. Okay, so here are all the braids for the leave out. So this is leave out, all the way around the perimeter is leave out, and this is leave excuse me, leave out. So all these areas will be where I can part the hair. And then I'm gonna braid these back and braid all the rest of this up. And this will be where I put the crochet. Okay. All right, so here we have it. This is the braid pattern. I did one anchor braid just going all the way around everywhere. So that's the one anchor braid right there. And then all the other braids are just going up and down, and I just connected the ends. I'm just going to use a crochet needle and just tuck that one in. But this is all the leave out, and these 3 pieces are the leave out as well. So I just wanted to come over and do a voiceover for this part, just to show that when I'm installing around this anchor braid, I really have the hair close to each other. I'm installing the crochets really closely, because if you want to pull your hair up into a ponytail, you can't have any gaps. So in this area, normally I would install my crochets 2 finger widths apart, but in that area I have them very, very close together because I don't want any gaps when I pull my hair up into a ponytail. Now I'm going to continue installing all the way around the anchor braid, and again it will be, you know, right by each other. When I fill in the hairs in the middle, I'll do them 2 finger widths apart, but for that perimeter area, so I don't have as many gaps, I have them, you know, installed right close to each other. So that's the install around the anchor braid and the perimeter at the back. Remember, do not install where you are leaving your leave out. Remember where your leave out is, and do not install crochets on there. So that's the first and the second parting area. Those parting area braids, I added the crochets onto there, and now the crochet install is done. The only thing I'll do is the back and fill in the middle. I have about a bundle and a half left, so I made sure to keep hair left over to fill in the middle. But even as it stands right now, it looks really full and pretty. If you're going to leave the hair in its natural state, you really don't have to install a whole lot of hair, because the hair is very full and thick and it covers really, really well. But I knew I was going to blow out the hair, flat iron the hair, cut it, style it, so I needed to add a lot more hair. If you know you're going to leave it in its natural state, you probably don't need to add a lot of hair. But I knew that I wanted to, you know, have a lot of, you know, parting space and options, and I knew I was going to blow out this hair and flat iron it. So I went ahead and grabbed my T3 airbrush. This is from Amazon. I absolutely love this brush. It's very, very gentle. It doesn't pull out your hair. It's not like very harsh on your hair. It does a great job of blowing out your hair. I use it on my natural hair when I'm doing silk presses, and I also used it on this crochet hair. So after I did the blowout, I went ahead and just started section by section. I grabbed my Babyliss titanium flat iron. Now I put this flat iron all the way up to the highest heat. Be careful with this. If you're not familiar with using flat irons, or if it's kind of like your first time, just be careful, because this one gets really hot on the inside and the outside of the flat iron. So just be very careful. I did one single pass, and making sure to take very, very small sections. So this is what it looks like blown out in flat iron. I think it gives a very, very natural, pretty texture. I love the original texture, but I also love it flat iron, and you'll see me when I curl it as well. It's very, very pretty hair. The install was very easy to do, and I highly recommend this hair. I will definitely be reusing this hair. When I installed it and took it out, I made sure that I took it out in a way that I'll be able to install it again. Now, what I will say is for your install process, make sure that you are looping the hair twice. I only looped it once and some of my strands did come out. So just be sure to loop it more than once. I'll also say for the areas at the top, you probably want to leave more of your own hair out than what I did because I didn't have as much coverage as I would have liked and I didn't want to keep installing more and more hair. I did have hair left over and I could have installed more, but I was just getting lazy. This style did take me quite a while, a couple days to do, and I was just getting lazy. So now you see me flat iron my own hair. I'm taking my leave out, flat ironing my hair, and I'm going to check and see how well it's blending. And then I'm going to cut the hair and style the hair so you can see that step as well. So don't forget to flat iron all the way around your entire perimeter. The hair was getting to be a little bit too much, so I did gather it up and put it into a low ponytail. Now, mind you, my hair is cut into a short bob, so it's hard for my hair to fit into a ponytail. But if your hair is longer, this style will be much more seamless. But for my hair being so short, I think it did come out pretty seamless for me as well. So I just used a bristle brush to go ahead and brush everything in. I love the versatility of this install. It's already starting to show how versatile it can be. You can wear it in a low ponytail, high ponytail, and 3 parting spaces in the front, half up, half down. Very versatile style. And the best part about it, you can barely see any of the knots at all, and I didn't even leave that much perimeter out. If you wanted it to be even more invisible, you could leave a little more hair out. But shout out to YWIGS for this hair being such high quality. It's so beautiful. To create an install like this, you know it's quality. All right, so here we are. It's been a few days, to be honest. It's been a lot trying to get this video together with everything else I have going on. Life is wild right now, so much going on, but I want to show you how I trim and cut this hair. Again, if you want to reuse this hair, try not to cut too much, but I do want to show you how nice it can look with it cut. So I'm gonna cut mine. I'll probably just start the layers right there. I love these razors because you can get a nice feathered look with these and get some pretty layers. So I'm just going to do a quick voiceover for this part. I did grab my T3 curlers. This is in the 1 1/4 inch. I really love this size. It gives very soft, effortless braids, effortless curls, and I love how they come out. The ones in the back, I curl towards the front, and the curls in the front, I curl them going towards the back, away from my face. So, yeah, that's what I used to get these curls, and then I went ahead and curled the other side and did my makeup off camera. All the tools and products I'm using are from Amazon. This is a hairspray I've been using for years. It's called Pie Shoe, and I absolutely love it. I'll link it down below. All right, so here we are. I did my makeup. It's done. And let's see what's going on with these curls. Wow. Can you even tell this is crochet? This is wild. I've never had a crochet that looks like this and can do this. Now, of course, I probably should have left a little bit more leave out at the top. Lesson learned. This is my first time doing it, so don't judge me too harshly. Let me just tame my own hair down a little bit. This is human hair crochet. I'm like, what? I can't even. It looks so good. Let's see if we can do the flip over. This is the middle part. I'm a middle part girl. I love me a middle part. So I'm always gonna kind of gravitate to the middle part, but let's see what the side parts are giving. So here we go. And the side parts are more of like a flip over. I feel like you can kind of do the side parts like a flip over. You don't need to necessarily do like a hard down part. The side part in your face, or you could push it back. Look at the curls, look at the layers. Sis really did her big one with this one, okay? And I didn't even know what I was gonna do. I literally, this was just like a stream of consciousness hairstyle because I didn't know what I was gonna do going in. And I really wanted this to be like a lazy girl type of like, y'all, this is just a throw in. No, this is not a lazy girl one, but this one is cute. It's worth the time. It almost looks like a flip over quick weave or something. Or a flip over sew-in. But if you don't know how to sew in hair and you only know how to crochet, you can still get that look. And it's human hair, so you can use it again. You know it's good quality because it's human. You can color it, bleach it. Like imagine this with some, you know, colored pieces, some little, you know, ombre situation going on. You can put a little bit of box dye on her and ombre the ends and give it like some jazz. And then use it again. Like take it out and use it again. This is so pretty. Put it behind your ear on this side. And it just blends with your own hair because of that texture. Wow. I don't even know what to say at this point. I am so impressed with this. I'm so impressed. Love it. And dare I say I like the side parts better than the middle part? Dare I say that? Now you don't want to go brushing this all crazy. You know, this is still crochet. So, well, YWIGS, love this. So cute. Love how it turned out. This install was definitely the right choice. Definitely click that subscribe button to see more interesting and innovative installs from your girl, Jess. And make sure you click that notification bell so you never miss a new live from me. I will be going live twice a week. I have already been doing that. And I go live anytime between Wednesdays and Saturdays. And I usually go live at night. So I go live starting around 9 or 9:30. So let me know what you guys think of the install. If you're curious about this hair, click down below. There's a link to check out YWIGS and this crochet hair. If you guys have any questions that I haven't answered, leave it in the comments section down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.